Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be learning all these numbers and finding the missing ones. Let us get started. This is 1. What comes after 1? 2. This is 3. What comes after 3? 4. This is 5. What comes after 5? 6. This is 7. What comes after 7? 8. This is 9. What comes after 9? 10. This is 11. What comes after 11? 12. This is 13. What comes after 13? 14. This is 15. What comes after 15? 16. This is 17. What comes after 17? 18. This is 19. What comes after 19? 20. Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. Let us read them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you kids, I hope you like this. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.